Modi says India is fast becoming preferred investment destination for investors across the globe, launches multiple development projects at Visakhapatnam. Polling for assembly elections in Himachal Pradesh concludes. Fate of 412 candidates sealed. CEO of Prasar Bharati and Director General of Doordarshan Mayank Agarwal visits Shillong, urges Doordarshan AIR staff to produce people-centric programs. And Lavlina, Parveen, Sawiti and Alfiya strike gold at Asian Elite Boxing Championship. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday said India is fast becoming the preferred investment destination for investors across the globe. Modi highlighted that India has become a focal point of new ideas, new solutions and speedy development, and all policies of the government have the welfare of the common man at their core. Speaking at the launch of multiple development projects in Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, the Prime Minister said, "Today, when the world is going through a crisis, India is achieving new milestones in several sectors and scripting history, and the world is witnessing India's growth."
ये योजनाएं इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेकर ईज ऑफ लिविंग और आत्मनिर्भर भारत तक कई नए आयाम खोलेगी, विकास को नई ऊंचाई पर ले जाएगी। मैं इसके लिए आंध्र प्रदेश के सभी निवासियों को हृदय से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं।
Polling for assembly elections in Himachal Pradesh took place today. Voting, which began at 8 a.m. officially and concluded at 5 p.m. The assembly elections have decided the fate of 412 candidates, including 24 women for 68 seats. 55% of voter turnout recorded till 3 p.m. BJP and Congress are contesting all seats. Aam Aadmi Party has fielded candidates for 67 seats, while Bahujan Samaj Party is contesting 53 seats. CPI-M 11 and CPI 1 seat. Other parties are contesting on 45 seats. 99 independents are also in the fray. The CEO of Prasar Bharati and Director General of Doordarshan Mayank Agarwal today visited Shillong and took review of the All India Radio and Doordarshan Kendras. In a review meeting, he took stock of the technical and program capabilities of the stations. He lauded the work done by Doordarshan and All India Radio in disseminating authentic and credible information to the people of Meghalaya through its news, cultural programs and informative panel discussions. The CEO also urged the staff to work in synergy and produce the programs that benefit people of the state. Later on, he reviewed the production of North-East Olympic Games, which is being held in Shillong currently. It is pertinent to mention that DD Sports and DD Meghalaya are broadcasting the North-East Olympic Games on its channels. And elaborate arrangements are made to showcase talent of athletes of North-East participating in the Games.
Several times that you must remember in Abi's.
Cable is working, yeah. Vanished in Mizoram, I saw that cable.
Our news city regulation. So it's very good. They can do.
The State Minister in charge for Commerce and Industries, Fisheries, Snehaw Bhalangdhar has informed that since 2018, a number of projects amounting to nearly Rs 500 crore have been granted for Nartyang constituency. He said this at a function of NPP Nartyang Block Committee meeting yesterday. The meeting was organized to welcome the new office bearers of the party unit. The meeting was attended by MLA from Mauhati Dasakyat Bhalamari, MLA from Jawai Wailat Miki Shilla, MDC from Rimbarai Bajop Pingrop, CM JHADC Thombor Shiwat, MDCs of JHADC and public from Nartyang. In his speech, Dhar highlighted several upcoming projects initiated by the state government for the people of Nartyang constituency. He informed that on November 21st, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will inaugurate the Namdong C and RD block.
Kenar tiang nong poror ko MR4 kilometer, dedep su integrate gam stem gawi. Hakan ni ketem ni last 5 year, the sanction ni kamo subhau santur teka, the yok pai bak penem kam step men gawi. The TV warok dan ini boy bencedi habita was CNRD block putumi gura wai chief minister hak arpa witrikin gedawan.
Umsning MLA Jason S. Maolong yesterday inaugurated the renovated infrastructure under upgradation project of Yeo Maolong Government LP School. This project was sanctioned under state fund at an estimated amount of Rs 37,02,028. Addressing the program, Maolong said that Yeo Maolong Government LP School is lucky enough to receive this grant. He urged the school management committee and the teachers to work hand in hand for the uplift of the quality education. He stressed on the proper utilization of the infrastructure for the benefit of students.
Idong kam ke jingnang jingsan. Kodor hadu kata-kata. Kum bakiyai ke juk, kum tangi habdi ben adab ya ladero. Bat ngangit ba na pren juk gini ke kena kim don ki klur ki ben mi hadir bol. Kila belong ki officers ki prepare, kila belong ki engineers, kila belong ki doctor. Baka kelpat ne ba para khot ki dong hikai khamtang. Khaba phi hikai ni kini kena. Bening kong ni de benang ben hikai ya kata mo kum sabar penong pi kum hapot Japan ki hikai ni kong ke burong ya ka bur. Hikai ki de jing e kata ba dok shimiki kum ki kunjung ni.
It is chilling winter in Shillong, and the winemakers in this capital of Meghalaya are raising toast and cheer amidst universal romance in the Shillong Wine Festival. The annual wine festival organized by Forever Young Sports Club is based exclusively on local horticulture products. The 18th Shillong Wine Festival was held on Saturday at the campus of Meghalaya Bharat Scouts and Guides near Pine Mount School. The Forever Young has organized a festival where all fruit winemakers of the state participated and showcased their homemade wines in this one-day festival. Wine connoisseurs from across India and abroad and the young and the old raised a toast at the Shillong Wine Festival with homemade wines made from exotic fruits.
Regarding this, you can
Indian boxers Lovelina Borgohain, Parveen Huda, Sawiti Bora and Alfiya Pathan claimed gold medals at the Asian Championship in Amman, Jordan on Friday. Parveen secured 5-0 victory over Japan's Kitomai. The World Championships bronze medalists put up a dominant show to beat 4th-seeded Mai via unanimous decision. Lovelina defeated Razmetova Sukiba of Uzbekistan 5-0 by unanimous decision in the final. The title will be a big moral booster for the 25-year-old Lovelina, who has struggled to find form since her bronze medal winning exploits at the Tokyo Olympics. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.1 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 56%, while in the evening was 82%. Forecast a dry weather is likely in most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. Before I wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says India is fast becoming preferred investment destination for investors across the globe, launches multiple development projects at Visakhapatnam. Polling for assembly elections in Himachal Pradesh concludes, fate of 412 candidates sealed. CEO of Prasar Bharati and Director General of Doordarshan Mayank Agarwal visits Shillong, urges Doordarshan AIR staff to produce people-centric programs. And Lovelina, Parveen, Sawiti and Alfiya strike gold at Asian Elite Boxing Championship. That's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel, it's good night.